Hello, it's Matt with 5280 Armory. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Walther's CCP pistol chambered 9mm. So let's get started. The CCP is a concealed carry design. In fact, the CCP stands for just that, concealed carry pistol, small enough for most of us for just that job. This pistol uses a method of operation not often seen in handguns. Walther calls this the soft coil gas technology, or most of us know it better as a gas-delayed blowback system. In an oversimplification of how the delayed blowback works in this pistol, the gas is redirected through this port just forward of the chamber and impinges on the piston to move the slide rearward, ejecting the spent case and subsequently feeding the next cartridge. Two of the benefits received from this method of operation are reduced felt recoil, making follow-up shots much easier and faster, and it also has a noticeably lighter recoil spring, making racking the pistol much easier. The CCP is a striker-fired pistol with a manual safety, reversible mag catch, and a length of Picatinny rail for your light laser or both. The Walther's 3.5-inch barrel puts it in a group of larger CCW pistols like the Smith & Wesson Shield or the Bersa BP9. So we brought in those two handguns so we could show how the Walther stacks up against two very popular CCW pistols on the market today. The CCP is the heaviest and the tallest of the three here, weighing in at 22.3 ounces empty, with a height of over 5 inches. This last shot is of a Walther next to the Glock 43, and as you can see, the Walther is definitely the larger of the two. The polymer grip is very comfortable. The magazine release and the manual safety are easy to get to, but I especially like that I could use the slide stop without adjusting my grip. Due to the manual safety, the trigger has no trigger bar running down the center of it like many striker-fired pistols. The striker fell at around 5 pounds, 5 ounces like the factory said it would, and the reset was a little longer than others, at just over a half of an inch. The CCP does require a tool for teardown, and Walther does a pretty good job of displaying this on a video they have on their website. Alright, it's time to hit the range. Let's go shoot this Walther CCP. That was the Walther CCP in action today. We didn't think we'd have any trouble with this one, and we didn't. It ran just fine. No failures to feed, fire, or eject. Today's accuracy target was shot with and sponsored by G9 Bullets, rifle performance at a pistol's distance. We're going to have the Walther CCP pistol for rent and for sale down here at the shop. So if you're interested, come on down and take a look. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.